Hmm. Hmm. Right, come look at how much he shakes when he has the hiccups.
I think I need to cut back on the speeding because he had hiccups yesterday.